This is bear country. Right here. Where does the trail go? Oh, we're going this way.
Oh, yeah. Okay, it's Palisades Reservoir Bike. That's
okay.
Palisades, Lower Palisades.
Then there's Waterfall. There's a Waterfall, Palisades, because I think that trail goes to here. I think that's where I'm going.
Oh wow, you're going that far?
Maybe they're there.
Because from here to the upper is like 6-7 miles, right?
Yeah, that's right. And then I think it's another like 5 or 6 to here. I think round trip's 23. That's the goal anyway. Man, there's trails everywhere.
You're going from here all the way around, or here?
Just to here and then back.
And then back.
Or if I'm like, no, I'm just gonna turn around, then I could turn around, right?
Yeah, of course. Huh, okay.
Palisades Lake, Caribou Targhee National Forest. Cool. 23 miles round trip.
You got a big day ahead of you, man.
I better start now, huh?
Good luck. Yeah.
Thanks. Wish me luck.
Good luck, man. Be careful.
Thanks. That looks so cool and refreshing. Might have to do that. I just started going to Upper Palisades Lake. I got 2 500 liters of water and a water filter. Little one. Never used it before. Nothing like trying it out for the first time in the backcountry. But in the end, humans live their life on the margins. Some more than others, I guess. Wish me luck. Craggy Rocks of Doom? I don't even know. Cool. Video. I'm gonna take a video with my new friends. I don't even know. What is this river?
This is Palisades Creek.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'm Nick.
Hello,
Emily.
Molly.
Molly. My search for the woodland nymphs. I have found them. Thank you. Hey, you guys are awesome. Thanks a lot. I'll probably see you again. That's cool. Palisades. Something like that. Lower Palisades. Man, that's legit. Yeah, kind of went the wrong way, I guess. That's really steep. Like, that's not even doable. Damn. Go back. Yeah, go right. Over the bridge. Upper Palisades Lake, 1.2 miles. Or I can go to Chicken Springs Trail. Close to camping. Okay. Woodland meadow. Some flowers. It's nice. Nice up here. Indian paintbrush. Wild raspberries. Wild raspberries, I'm down with that. It's pretty good. Oh man, that's really good. Upper Palisades. That looks so nice and refreshing. Oh man. Shut the front door. I got 6.9 miles, hour and 45 minutes. Horseback and stock trail, foot trail, both ways. I'll go this way. This looks so cool. So clear. Nice trail. Oh, I heard a fish jump. Look at the size of that poofy head. Whoa, that's cool. This is awesome. Look at that lake. Oh, I hear the water. Oh, look at that. Oh, that river water is so good. So good and cold. Thank God. Fill this thing up. It might take a little bit of time. Butterflies everywhere over here. And the trail crosses the river. And over here it says there's an arrow. So I'm all about the arrows. And it says Waterfall Canyon. I like that sign. Honestly, I like the wildflower fields. It's pretty neat. No flowers, purple ones, some white ones, and the red Indian paintbrushes. All trails has, I don't know, I've got 9 miles. 23 miles total, so that would make it 11 miles to the end. 11 and a half. Anyway, I got 2.5 more miles and like 1,500 feet of elevation. So I'll be hiking this. Yeah, I don't know what that bird is. I don't know what he's doing up here. I don't know what he's doing running this trail. It's like Roadrunner and the coyote. Where you at, bird? You're in here somewhere. You're camouflaged. I hear you. That was weird. Yeah, I guess this climb right here is good training for the 2020 Sharp Top Challenge. Just a nice little valley way up here at 7,200 feet. Where are we? We're in Waterfall Canyon. That rock is cool. Not carrying it though. It's heavy. Yeah, that's a nice place to camp. The waterfall action. It's nice and flat right here. Almost there. Maybe that's the waterfall I'm going to. A little thick right there. A little thick running through that. Oh, what? Well, we came from there. I'm going this way, but it's super thick. Oh. And I know this is a trail because the big tree's cut, and it also says U.S. Forestry Service. This part I don't like so much. Thick. Look under all of this tall, overgrown bushes. Not bad. This is a trip right here. Let's go up the giant, looks like an old dried up riverbed. Obviously water comes down here all the time when it rains. I don't know, is it that way? Or is it that way? I bet it's that way. Almost there. That rock's cool. I'll keep it. It's shiny or glittery. But I ain't trying to carry a crap load of rocks. It's like walking through a gravel pit in the middle of the desert. It's nuts, man. That's a cool rock. I'll carry that until I don't want to anymore, I guess. Alright. Some good news. I guess some bad news. Pretty much at the end of my trail. Looking at my GPS, I'm supposed to be up there, And but that doesn't make sense, and then it keeps going another mile. That doesn't make sense either. Someone called BS on that one. Also, so bad news. I don't see any water falling out of here. Huh. There's a little bit of water right here. The other bad news, tons of flies. But I'm just right here. Good news, I'm halfway done. It's all downhill from here. It's a pretty cool view though. Again, that's high. I guess wicked high up. Wicked high up. What? That's where I came from. Mad Max gravel pit of doom. Man, and there's like a cave up there. There's like a cave up there and like a cave up there. I ain't trying to cave explore right now. I got 12 miles, 3 hours and 39 minutes and 3,100 feet. Oh, I'm at 7981. Ooh, if I go up there, I'll be at 8,000. How do you get up there? It's not even. That ain't right. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get in on some of that water right there. Oh, come on, bugs. Quit flying around. Keep that rock. Man, unless the trail goes up over there. Might take 5 minutes and look, but I ain't trying to get lost. Good. All right. Oh, that's a big fly. Get off of me. I don't want any of that. All right. That's the way I'm rolling out. Rolling back. Ooh, pardon me. Fill up one bottle. There's another waterfall I passed down there. Actually looked decent. Quest for the waterfall search stopped here pretty much, didn't it? Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty high up. Looks like there's a cave up there. The trail goes this way. I went back a quarter mile, came down that way. That's where I originally came from. Came back a quarter mile, and that looks like the trail. Super. Let's do it. Stop at that other fake waterfall. And now there's this big field. Okay. Let's do this. Bonsai. I was just about to turn around. Like, damn dude, there ain't no water. There ain't no falls. There ain't nothing. Thank God. Some ice. My watch says we're over 8,900 feet. Let's drink some stagnated lake, creek, pond water. Yeah, I'm down. Man. This place right here will change you. Or destroy you. I'm halfway destroyed. So ask me when I get back to the car. Thank God for the water, I'll tell you what. Alright, we've done 4,400 feet of elevation, 14 miles, 4.5 hours. Thank God for that water. The views out here are pretty intense. It's hard to see over here because the sun's there, but it's pretty cool. Wide open. I reached the end of the what one was it? All trails. This is supposed to split somewhere. I don't know. It doesn't matter. I'm going back the way I came, minus the bottom of the waterfall turnout for no random reason. But it should take me, let's say, 3.5 hours to get back. It'll be 8 o'clock when I get back. Still be able to see. That's the plan anyway. I like the flowers. Wait a minute. What? That's nice. It's legit hard to breathe up here. It's a nice view. Wildflowers all over the place too. Pretty neat. Honestly, wish you guys were here. You'd love this place. Just because I'm making a documentary, not really a documentary. Look at all those flowers, it's awesome. Anyway, this is the top of that waterfall, I'm pretty sure, the one I couldn't get up. Then I had to go back. You see there's no water. But it's in a little valley. There would be crazy water. The snow's melting. But man, there's just wildflowers all over the place. Yeah, back to the gravel. Hey look, there's a marker right there, a big bunch of rocks in a pile for the trailhead. Yeah, I missed that. Anyway, it's tall plants. I hope you're not allergic to grass. Just seriously tall grass. Oh, it got shorter now. Waist high. Flowers are cool though. Ow. As I go down. Okay. There's some serious waterfall. I like that. I want to go there, but I don't really want to go there. Cool. Get to the waterfall water. Tried going over there and it's all, I don't know, trounced through the plants and just was never water. It was like grassland. Anyway, I got a little bit left of the stagnated melted ice cap water. I know up here about 2 or 3 miles there's water where I got water before, so cool. Thank you, God. That's the best sound ever. Yeah, I'm gonna take a couple minutes break. My dogs are barking right here. I had some, some of that grass in my socks. So I'm gonna soak it and get some more water. Whoa, that just looks so inviting. The water's coming down and just going around right here like a meandering. Oh man, I want to lay in that water so bad. But I put my feet in that other creek. It was colder than ice. Painful. Pretty neat. Sure, I have salt all over my face. Got 3 miles left. I've gone 24. 7 hours, 51 minutes. I like it right here. It's really nice. Alright, I'm back at this place where those people were. Oh, that's cool. Sun's going down. Trail's that way to the left. That's it. I'm done. Took forever. It's a lot longer than I thought. I got 27.2 miles, 8 hours and 33 minutes. It's very long. Tell you what, I'm tired right now. Let's see if I got some salt capsules, some none or noon. Oh, I got a Gatorade and a spicy V8. I didn't bring any salt. So bad. I'll show you the map in a minute. Alright. This is called Palisades Creek Trail to Upper Lake. Which, that's the easy part, honestly. Like, no worries. Start here, this is where we're at, and then you go, and then it's really nice, and the little lakey lake, and then to the big old lake. Oh, and the island is nice. And then you could either go like this, or you can go like that. And then you end up here, and if you keep going, you're gonna probably regret it. Just saying. So let me go to the other map. I can figure that one out, which is hard to see. Okay, must be here. Campgrounds, yeah. Palisades Creek, Lower Palisades, Upper Palisades. Man, where did I go? Dry creek bed. Oh, there was a waterfall here. Actually, there was a waterfall. I don't know. Anyway, coming down here. And then, oh, don't go in the valley. Gotta go find the right way. Oh, right here. This is where it was. Right. I got lost. I went straight, and then I had to go back to here, and back up. I made it to there. So that was Waterfall Canyon Trail. After you go through Palisades Creek Trail past Upper Palisades Lake. I thought it was going to be 23 miles, and I got like 27, I guess, whatever. I don't know anymore. I got blisters on the middle of my feet, and the balls of my feet. I could feel them. And I'm tired, and I'm going to go to sleep, and I'm going to take a shower and then go to sleep. But I might even crush some blueberry pancakes first. That just sounds really good. Alright. Good times. My socks are toasted. Look at my dirty legs. And I even washed them off about 6 miles ago. Dang.